Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Yieldstreet Prism Fund Review My Usage Experience. Yieldstreet Prism Fund Review My Usage Experience offers access to information and analysis regarding the Yieldstreet Prism Fund, a private real estate investment fund. It's primarily targeted towards investors interested in alternative investments and real estate, specifically those seeking diversification beyond traditional stock and bond markets. Key features likely include fund performance data, portfolio holdings details, and potentially, investor resources. Their website provides details on the fund strategy, risk factors, and performance history. Yieldstreet aims for transparency with pricing, though specific fees are usually detailed within the fund's offering documents rather than a simple no-fee model typical of subscription services. They highlight the potential for higher returns compared to traditional investments, but also emphasize the inherent risks involved in alternative asset classes. Availability is restricted to accredited investors as per regulations governing private investment funds. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Yieldstreet Prism Fund Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After accessing my Yieldstreet account, I'm already an investor in other Yieldstreet funds. Finding the Prism Fund information was easy, with clear navigation to the fund's dedicated page. The interface itself was clean and intuitive. I easily found the key metrics, the net asset value, NAV, the distribution history, and the fund's current holdings. The performance data was presented in clear graphs and tables, making it easy to track the fund's progress over time. I was really impressed by how easily I could compare the Prism Fund's performance against its benchmarks and other Yieldstreet offerings. I had a quick question about a specific holding and their support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Accessing the information was best done via a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the level of detail and clarity provided by Yieldstreet's reporting on the Prism Fund. It generally met my needs as an investor seeking transparent and readily available information. That's my overview of Yieldstreet Prism Fund Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.